I'll take it all off in one piece.
When you buy this system, it comes with the jig to set your platens.
Yes. On the platen, the jig is all one. Yeah, some people over there, they'll build their own. It's like, that doesn't do you any good. It just gets them all centered on your, if you don't have a jig to go on your platen, you have to build that as well.
My friend that has a much bigger shop, he has the one with the spring-loaded. He's got the CTS printer. And then I went over there and watched him do a job, and it like prints, they expose it, lock it into the jig on the thing,
and then it should be, in theory, it should be, yes, if your off contact is good, they should be very well set. I went into a shop, and they were just having a couple of the automatics having problems with the CTS wasn't lining up, trying to be off contact. If off contact's too high, your registration is going to change. Fix that, problem, go away.
We have 2 CTS machines, and they both print in different areas.
Yeah.
So if you print one job on this one and then half the job on this one.
Oh, no. Now, you should be able to change your artboard.
We've been trying that.
Oh, okay, yes. So you got 2 CTS systems. Oh. I haven't seen 2 CTS. Yeah, man, you guys are just boss then, yeah. And then remember that when you tape vertically on the sides, once you get a perfect alignment, next to the registration mark on the side of the film. Perfect. Oh yeah. Look at the very fine text. That's overlaid, both of those. No shadow. Perfect. That registration is looking very sharp. Should do. Big hole, big peg. Little hole, little peg. Double-sided tape. Outside registration marks.
I'll take it all off in one piece.
Squeeze against the bumper. Press against the other 2. And tilt back slowly. Hold it in place. And rub firmly where you put the tape. And then lift up, get the carrier sheet, pop it loose gently, hold the carrier sheet to the screen, and head over to the exposing unit. And just put that existing one in an open slot with a screen. This way they don't want to stack on top of each other. Okay.